The warehouse where thief people go bust so now where we store ogbonge palliatives and medical supplies where we be one use for Edo people in case of any emergency. Edo State Government na im talk this one. Edo State Government don talk say the government warehouse where thief people don go bust so for Medical Stores Road, Benin City. Now where dem store ogbonge palliative materials and medical supplies wey dem be one use for Edo people in case any emergency shele for the state. Special adviser to Edo State Governor on top media and communication strategy, Crusoe Osage, na im yarn for statement say wey dem first collect dis relief material 7 months ago when dis yamayama disease carry waka enter Naija, dem begin distribute am for the poor people wey dey the state, make dem fit still see something take hold theirself for the yamayama disease period. E yarn say the warehouse wey dis thief people don burst scatter so na where government store ogbonge medical assets put, and dis thieves don go carry the vaccines, quality equipment and other better supplies wey government be keep for there. Osage talk say government don already distribute most of the palliative materials wey federal government be give Edo State, and the ogbonge things wey dem store for the warehouse wey thief people don go bust for Medical Stores Road so na wetin government be wan use take treat Edo people wella in case any emergency shele for the state. The special adviser yarn say for the ogbonge analysis wey scientists do on top the yamayama disease, dem see say e go still come back again for the second time, and e don already dey shele for Europe unto say dem dey do another round of shutdown now sake of say COVID-19 don still mama dem wella for the second time. Osage yarn say dis one come make government decide to store all these ogbonge things make dem fit still see am use in case any bad thing shele for the state. The tori don end for there as the special adviser come still yarn say for the past few weeks, government don use some of these ogbonge materials wey dem store help people wey serious flood dey affect for Esako Central, Esako East and Esan South East local government areas. Dis one na the ogbonge informate wey we carry come give una on top Inside Edo today. As Edo State Government don yarn say the warehouse wey thief people go bust so na where dem store ogbonge palliatives and medical supplies wey dem be wan use for Edo people in case of any emergency. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry dis ogbonge informate dey come give una. My name na Oyiza Aboriogun from Benin.